I'm not going to attempt this one. Apparently it's not actually that high. There's 3 stones and the markers, and when you see all 3 then it's usually okay. It still came up to above my knees. It's quite rocky in places. And there's another trail that takes me west to Thorsmork. I think I've reached as far as I can go. It's a bit steep and sandy and I haven't got good enough tyres. I got stuck going up here. I'm not even convinced I can carry on all the way because there's a very big river I think to cross, so I was going to turn back, take an easier route back to Thorsmork.